So Joe, tell us about this part.
Sure. So this is an accumulator actually used in Formula One. It's used as a damping circuit to damp fluid movement inside the vehicle. And effectively, it's actually very interesting with this part. That's actually 10 feet worth of tubing coiled up on itself.
There's 10 feet of tubing in
There is, correct, yes. And then it's formed in such a way to package in a very, very small environment that they had inside the vehicle. There wasn't a lot of room.
So that's why there's this bend on the part, so it fits around an existing component and
Exactly.
the engine is snug as possible.
Exactly.
Now, if you would traditionally manufacture this, I would imagine there would be a bunch of separate parts that would have to be connected together.
Correct, right. So it's all consolidated into one. You've got your mounting features, the fittings on the end that would likely be brazed on, and then again the tube itself is all coiled around together. And the nice thing is you're able to manufacture those tubes in one piece, which again allows you a smaller consolidation of footprint to fit more in a tighter package.
So you've got less weight, you've got fewer parts, higher reliability.
Correct.
And a smaller overall footprint.
Correct.
Fantastic.